UMLA ka Raja Bala u Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi ula pha ka jing Kyrpad u Menteri Rangba ka Jylla u Konrad Sangma ha ka ba ula kuntu yu ba onam pentre ka me ka ain Waqf Amendment Act ajar pesan ha Jylla Meghalaya. U Dr. Kazi ula ong bala dakyar na ka ban pentre ka me ka ain kan penne pensa e ka hok jing kijak dendri ritpat bat kan penne pensaru e ka shong suk shong sngan hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya.
It's regarding the Waqf Amendment Act 2025, wherein I have requested the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, since it's an act now, so, the state government can take constitutional decision not to implement it in the state of Meghalaya. I have requested him citing few points, looking at the tradition of Meghalaya, where all the religion practices that we are following it independently, and there has been total harmony among all the religious groups in the state. It's like we are diverse, but we are united together. So I have requested the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya kindly to refrain from implementing the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 in the state of Meghalaya. There are constitutional provisions that if the state thinks otherwise, they can even refrain themselves from implementing the act. Like, already the Honorable Chief Ministers of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala, they have already raised their concerns, and they have openly said that they might not implement the same in their respective states. So it is up to the Chief Minister and the cabinet colleagues to take a call on whether to implement the same in the state of Meghalaya or not. It is constitutionally valid.